For the past few weeks, I've been working on a brand new, fully functional Lego Keymaster machine. If you don't know what a Keymaster is, let me show you. First, you move the key left to right, and then you hold a button moving it up. Once released, the key tries to go in. If it can, it will pull the prize forwards and drop it. The problem with Keymaster is that it's always rigged. The operator can easily set the amount of tries needed to reward a prize. Here you can see with just a quick Google search the manual that says it all. And that leads me today when I show you my Lego Keymaster. Prizes need to be attached to a string and then are put in the two keyholes on the machine. My Keymaster functions exactly like a normal one, but it's completely fair. You can move the keys side to side all that you want, but once you press the button, it begins to raise, and once released, the key will try to fit into the keyway. If it does, you win. It may be hard to tell from this angle, but the key is the black piece moving up, that is the top of it, and then the bottom of it is in line with that white sensor. Since we hit the top of the keyway, we lost. The machine actually knows that you lost and says unlucky and then resets. Let's try for the M&Ms again. The screen keeps track of how much money you still have to pay to play. Once inserted, it will display all the directions you need. Since we lined up the key with the keyway, we won. The machine congratulates you by saying winner and displays green lights. Once you've won, the machine flashes yellow lights to tell you how to claim your prize. To claim your prize, move the key to the left to clear the area, and then turn the knob, raising the track up and bringing you your prize. Let's go one more time, and this time I'm going to show you how the machine actually functions. The joystick is connected to a train motor. It moves the entire key side to side. The button is actually spring-loaded, which just covers a color sensor. That tells the motor to start spinning, turning the treads, bringing the key up. Here is what it looks like when playing a game, but just the mechanism. The button's pressed in and the motor begins raising it. The other motor brings it forward, and then that touch sensor isn't pressed in, so it's going to go forwards a little more, turn, pull out, and then once it's all the way out, that prize would drop, and then it's going to go back in, turn the other way to release the keyway, and then go back out and reset. If you lose, the same thing happens, but a couple things don't happen. So here I'm covering the touch sensor, acting like it hit it. It's just going to go back out and reset. pressing the buttons in this order, the owner can get the coins out. The joystick goes right into a remote that controls the train motor. This knob presses on the other one, activating another motor, bringing you your prize, while also being in charge of lifting up that track out of the way. Here we can see how it brings it up and then over and out of the way, and then it brings it down and sets it in place.